I just want to see what the sphere looks like at night, like George night, right? Today I am playing tourist with Mai and Yellow. Cứ tự nhiên lúc gió nó bảo cứ chỉ có mùa vào cơ. Là sao là mỗi nữ ở ít cho trung na, lấy cho like bleachers. There là mỗi think of many different places na.
Oh. Well, I thought you were saying something.
Wow, bên trên nó ấy luôn rồi. The desserts. So this is my husband's. My husband made these. He works here at Caesar's Palace, and he bakes these. Oh, so cute. Oh. Look at Daddy. These are your stuff. So pretty and yummy. Look at all these. Wow, bên trên nó ấy luôn rồi. Người ta nói dễ có là nó cứ vacation nó chơi này phải tìm được thế nó. But có một tờ Bellagio, có một tờ mà lo tờ mall đó. You wanna go to Bellagio? Or do you wanna go to the mall here? Chrissy's in here. Can you go visit Chrissy? Chrissy, my daughter.
Oh, where's she?
At the foreign shops.
Oh, we can go.
Okay, let's go to the foreign shop. Where is it?
I don't know. No.
Yeah, it's Caesar's.
Oh. No, why you come with us? I'm shopping with my friend.
I'm the poor friend. The rich friend. Cái thử nhau ở chỗ store nó cho nhỏ store shop nice stuff. cái store hơi lười cái bày được gì I'll share with you here. Cái lô tổ lô cho là nó hơi không mấy hơi casino nhất là nó mới không nhất tổ hay rồi. That's why it's so confusing. Last time you walk now, that oh, this is what I get to the bakery, you know. Wow. Somebody wants some money. What are the foreign shops? Wait, where's the foreign? Oh, foreign shops over there. Oh, this is new. I don't remember seeing this before. Yeah, what's that video? After 20 years, this lady never been to this section. She never seen this before.
I only been to certain ones, not this one.
Still never nation when she don't know here, you know. See, more Thai now before they didn't have this. Before you can walk around the fountain. Yeah. Look at the other side. There's another side over here. Oh yeah, everybody in your time to horse the law. Only the time here. Phải sống tù rồi. Yeah. Behind us too. This is the spiral staircase. The ceiling, no my height is oh my goodness. Yeah, all this handmade, yeah. So she always stand at the door and tell people to go inside. Because they go like, if you don't want to buy it, they don't come inside. Right in front of Cafe Lola. So fancy. No more rush now, they're gonna change it. No more change to what is it called now? Only guitar now. What is it? Yeah, Hard Rock. They say they build a little casino, I mean a little hotel to shape like a guitar. But I don't know if that's really gonna happen or not. We're at Treasure Island. We're always walking the strip by ourselves.
We're always stuck together.
Yep. But she's gonna go to Thailand and Asia without me. Next time, okay, next time. What day is there? Are you guys gonna be in Laos? Saturday?
Oh, no. We're going to be in Thailand first
Yeah, but I mean in Thailand, what day?
on the 8th.
I know what day is that. That next.
That will be the 8th. That's going to be on a Friday.
Next Friday?
Yes.
This coming Friday?
Yes.
Yan day lo no.
Yes. So, ปกติจบไม่มาไปเนี่ย
Oh, okay, so this is the Vegas vacation ends today, and then they're gonna embark on their journey to Asia to be continued.